In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom templates in Tradingview and keep it quick and easy. This process is perfect for traders looking to streamline their analysis or implement their favorite strategies more efficiently. Let's jump right into it. To begin, you'll want to open up Tradingview and load a chart. It doesn't matter which asset you're looking at, as our focus today is on setting up the templates. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of your chart. You'll notice a toolbox with various functionalities. Click on this area to expand the options. Next, locate and click on the Indicator button. This button allows you to find and apply different technical indicators to your chart, which are vital in executing precise trading strategies. One popular choice among traders is the Bollinger Bands strategy. So for our example, we'll use this as a demonstration. Once you click on it, watch as the Bollinger Bands appear on your chart, providing a visual of volatility and potential price patterns. Now that you have the Bollinger Band set up, take a moment to understand what they indicate. Experienced traders use Bollinger Bands to measure market volatility and identify overbought or oversold conditions. This insight can help reveal entry or exit points for trades. With your indicator in place, you're ready to save this setting as a template. Go back to the toolbox and select Indicator Templates. You'll then be prompted to name your template. Choose any name that helps you easily identify it later on. Whether you want to name it after a specific strategy or simply call it My Template, the choice is yours. After naming your template, click Save. You'll receive confirmation that your new template has been safely stored among your saved indicators. This makes it super easy to apply in future sessions, saving you time and effort when setting up your charts. If you ever need to delete the template, fear not. It's a straightforward process. Simply return to your saved indicator templates, locate the one you no longer need, and remove it from the list. Your trading space will then stay clean and organized. Finally, to use your saved template, just go to your saved list and click on it. Instantly, it will appear on your chart, ready to assist you in your market analysis. This functionality allows you to switch between strategies seamlessly without the hassle of building them from scratch each time. Review your chart with the custom indicator templates applied, ensuring they give you the insights you need. As you familiarize yourself with this feature, you'll find that it becomes a powerful tool to enhance your trading proficiency. Thank you for tuning in to this guide on creating custom templates in Tradingview. Feel free to explore and create templates that cater to your specific trading style. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.